This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at energy. First is going to be, we're going to take a quick look here at the crude oil, and then the XLE, which is the ETF for big oil, and then UGA, which is the ETF for gasoline. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Now, if you've been listening to my last couple of videos, you'll notice that I pointed out two key levels here. The 21 SMA, 72.52, the 8 SMA, 71.75, which is the key support. Now, you can see how the 8 SMA now is starting to roll up, and now the price is above the 21-day. That's very good sign. Now, if we can get the 8-day to cross above the 21-day, that is very bullish. All right, so let's go on the upside. So what we want to look here now is at this 50 SMA, because this will be your first target, 74.38. And then we look at your 100 SMA. This is sitting at 76.01. That's your second target. And then we want to look here at 79.07. That's your price channel. And then your 200 SMA here sitting at 80.26. Those are your key targets here on the upside. So when we look across them here, all right, see how all that support really held really nice, okay? And you're basically setting a higher low situation, which is always very bullish. Now, we also have to look here now on the support levels. Okay, so you want to look now here at this 21 at 72.52, this 8 SMA here at 71.76. Now, if that is lost, then you want to look to yesterday's candle, which basically is 70.67, and then we can go down to this candle here, 70.04, and then we're sitting at 69.41. But this here support level is holding very, very nicely. Okay, let's take a look here at the XLE for the big oil. All right, here is the XLE. Now, this is the ETF for big oil. This has all the big boys in there. Exxon and Mobil and Chevron and Valero and Schlumberger. Everything is in this one, and it pays a really nice over 4% dividend, okay? So this is really how I trade it, because it's a really nice basket. If one or two oil companies, they kind of implode a little bit here, it's not going to affect this XLE that much. All right, let's look at the charts. Okay, here we have a daily chart. Now you look on the MACD here, you can see how that it crossed on over. That's a very, very bullish sign. All right, so then again, we want to watch the same thing. Watch this 21 SMA here. That's sitting at 80.43. And then now look at this 8-day. See how this is trying to curl up? That's 78.96. Those will be your support levels. Now on the upside, your first target here is this 81.89. That's the 50-day. Then we want to look here at 84.02. Then we want to look here at the 100-day, 84.56. And then we have a retest there going on at 85.59. Okay, so let's take a look here on the weekly and on the monthly chart. All right, here we have your weekly. So bottom line, we had here is a really nice double bottom situation, and you're holding that key 75.36. Now on the upside, you can see where the SMAs are getting pretty jammed up here. So what we want to do is we want to look here at right here. This is your 50 SMA, 82.28. That's going to be a very key level. And then your 21 SMA sitting at 84.46. And then we have 93.15. And then your big retest here is at 94.71. Here on your monthly chart here, key support level here is 75.64, your 21-day. And then you have your key 8 SMA here at 86.37. So you kind of go in between here. But this time of the year, seasonality, this is going to be very bullish here. I am long along this, and I also trade it. So let's take a look here now at the gasoline ETF. Okay, gasoline, very, very seasonality. Okay, so what we had here is you have a really nice double bottom going on here. You had 53.13, and then we had the retest here, 52.98, popped right back up, and then been running up ever since. Now, look at how this 8-day is crossing above of your 21, your 200-day, and now you're headed for above your 50. So let's look on the upside here. You want to hold that price channel. That's going to be support is 60.37, and then your SMAs here will be all your support levels here, all the way down to your 8 SMA and your 21 SMA. Now on the upside, we want to look here at this gap. So the top of that candle is 61.61. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here. This is 62.03. So this right here is your target. Then if it gets above, then we look to the top of this candle here, 63.02. The top of there, you got 64. You got 64.43, 64.72, and then your big retest here is sitting at 65.63. So this is you can see how this very great trading, chart here. So let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, weekly chart. Look how nice this is right here. Came down, up, down, up, down. This is exactly what you want if you're a trader. Now, the key is going to be a close above this 65.63. If it can, then we go to this level right here, which is this candle right there, which is sitting at 73.99. And then you have this candle right here. You're looking at 77.01. And then your big retest is 80.29. All right, monthly chart, basically nice sideways action here. Needs to break out of these top of these candles. Then you got a good shot there back at the retest there at 80.92. Close above, you got blue sky. Now on the bottom, you want to watch all these key SMAs. You're sitting basically 59.23. Everything's kind of jammed right up at that 59 level. Now, if that is lost, then we want to come down here to this retest area, which lines up really nice with the 100-day at 52.98. But gasoline, seasonality, this is in play. You got Memorial Day coming up here. You got the OPEC meeting here. This is all good for gasoline and for crude oil. All right, I'll have more on this here at the pit close after 2:30. Thanks for watching.